National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Willis, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodville, Willis, Western Lake Texoma, and Lake Bride. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.